Probably the top vendor out right now. It is the top vendor out. I don't care what nobody says. Hi and welcome to my channel. This is Lexsa with another video. Those are my paintings in the background. If you guys are just trying to switch it up, But today I'm going to be talking about my favorite vendors, my favorite hair vendors that I have worked with, okay? They give quality, they give lusciousness, all right? They give body, and they give you the exact inches that you ask for. They give you exactly what you ask for. So if you are trying to know the top vendors, my favorite vendors, you have to keep watching this video. But before I get into this video, sis, follow me on Instagram, okay? Follow me on TikTok and follow me on Twitter. I say it every time and I'm gonna say it again. I'm gonna keep saying it till I'm in the grave, you feel me? Follow me on all of my social media platforms at Lexsa Marie. And let me know what type of content you would like to see more of on my channel. I'm probably gonna slow down with the wig videos just for a little while and give y'all a little something else. But let me know what you guys want to see from me. And yeah, then we're gonna hop into my favorite vendors. Okay, so I put a list of 5 of my favorite vendors. I went through all my videos, went through all my wigs, and I was like, okay, these are the 5 right here that if Shorty wears it, she's gonna just, you know, Shorty a little baddie. You know, you're gonna start singing it. Shorty my little ooh thing. And Shorty got the... You're gonna start singing that song, all right? So, number 5, my 5th favorite vendor is Nadula Hair. Nadula Hair, okay? And they got number 5 because, you know, they coming up on the rise, at least for me. But listen, the first wig that I did for them was this body wave, kind of like it was like, I think F430. It was like a mixture, kind of like this wig in terms of the color, but I straightened it, right? And I will say for a T-part lace, it was really, really nice. And I was like, okay, this is really good quality hair. And, you know, it fit my head, easy to install. But the second wig they sent me, is show that they are all about quality. This hair was super, super soft, as you can see in the video. I'm gonna have all the videos like down below. But it was super, super soft. I loved it. And I got hella compliments. Like, I know when I come out my room and I have my hair done, my mom be like, ooh, 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 ooh. Like, she likes to give her reactions. And when she saw that one, she said, okay, I see you. Like, she was letting me know I look good. So definitely Nadula. I feel like it was easy shipping, fast shipping. It was easy to work with the company as well, along with just the hair actually being really good hair. So I know you guys like to say, oh, but you get it for free, oh, you get it for this, oh, you get it for that. Listen, okay, because sometimes these companies will send you some garbage. They will send you garbage, even if you're reviewing the hair. They will send you some garbage. So I'm happy that Nadula was easy to work with and actually sent me some quality hair. So I would say number 5 for my favorites is Nadula. Okay, so number 4 will shock you, all right, because things have changed. But number 4 is Aliexpress. And yes, this was like my top favorite in the beginning, but listen, there's some other companies that have outshined them, all right? I still love Aliexpress. They have been pretty consistent to me, in my opinion. However, I did notice when you shop from Amazon or if you shop from the actual website, you will get better quality hair. I've heard people say that they didn't like Aliexpress, but they were getting it on Aliexpress. So I don't know if it's different or whatever, but when I get it from the source, like from the source, or I get it from Amazon, like even when I do purchase it, it's wonderful quality hair. So I will say, like, I still like to work with them. They sent me some really nice hair. I've reviewed them probably like 4 or 5 times already, and overall I would just say it's good quality hair. Like, it looks like the picture. I am in some of the pictures that they put on their website, so I will say they're pretty true to their pictures. And again, like, I wouldn't say they're necessarily affordable, but I would say it's an investment to shop from them. All right, number three in terms of my favorite vendors is Tenache Hair, or Tenache Hair. Listen. Are you listening? Tenache Hair, I don't care. I didn't get a lot of like views for some reason. I might repost it. Listen, this hair looks like scalp. This hair looks like scalp. I'm gonna tag it, okay? I might even put a picture right here. This hair looks like scallops, all right? It looks like scallops. I don't know if I got better with laying my hair down, or I was actually given a quality wig that made it easier to lay. But Tenache Hair is such good quality. I hope I can work with them again. But I was shocked solely just by the texture of the hair that I received. I believe it was like a loose deep wave. I was in awe. I was in awe, and I actually decided to wear that same hair for my birthday. I wore it to a whole bunch of places because I was like, wow, this is actually real good quality hair. And you'll notice if I don't wear that wig more than once, that means it's basura. Just peep that. If I don't wear the wig more than once, it's most likely trash. So definitely I was wearing that wig all up in the DMV, all up in, you know, everywhere. And I have no bad things to say. I will say one thing, that it came oddly fast. Like, my wig came oddly quick. So I will say I did like that. But again, like, some of these wigs that I'm mentioning, some of these companies that I'm mentioning, it's going to cost, okay? It's going to cost. It's going to cost you something. But listen, it's worth it. I gotta, and I know I'm not buying, but like, it's worth it. Like, the quality that I'm getting, you know, I'm wearing these wigs day in, day out, and it's not deteriorating. You know, I can wash it, I can clean the lace, you know, the hair is not falling out. These wigs will last you a very long time. So I will say Tenache Hair is the bomb.com. All right, the second top vendor to buy your hair from, and listen closely, because y'all about to be like, my pockets can't afford it. Listen, Love Me Hair. It looks like scalp. Like, the hair looks like scalp, and I'm gonna put pictures. Y'all gonna see pictures of what I'm talking about. Love Me Hair, everyone thinks that's my real hair. When I go out, people be looking at me like that's my real hair. And they squinting, they looking. They trying to see if they can see some, you know, some wire, some lace. They don't see none of that. This lace is honestly undetectable. And I might do another video of just me reinstalling the hair and just how I go about reinstalling wigs. This is an investment, because I know the hair is like $400, all right? I know the hair is a little pricey, but I have it over there. It's just looking at me. It's just looking at me. Hey, boo. Hey, how's it going? That hair, I'm telling you right now, if I want to look natural and luscious and not have a lot of hair on my neck, that is the wig I'm going to grab quickly. I'm going to put her underwater. She does not tangle. She does not shed. All right. The front gives scalp. The front gives scalp. I will say, if you buy from them, you got to get the wig that I got, because honestly, I was shocked. I was genuinely shocked. So if you are looking for a more natural type looking wig that isn't necessarily 4C, but it's not 3, it's not 2 texture, you know what I mean? Like, it's somewhere like 3C, 4A type hair. That is the wig that you want to get, because it is so, like, so believable. When they say undetectable lace, they mean undetectable lace. And another thing I will say as well, like, if you work with companies, I will say that they're actually very sweet. They're very nice. They're easy to work with. And yeah, I'm obsessed. But number one, y'all ain't ready for that one. Okay, so last but not least is the top wig vendor, hair vendor out here on these streets. It's the top one, and it's the one that's in my head right now. It's the one that's in my head right now. Y'all know my hair looks soft. You know my hair looks soft right now. You know, you've been like, wait, where's your hair from? Wiggins Hair is the top hair vendor on the market. On the market. On the market. I've worked with them 2 times now. I kind of messed up my first wig. I mean, I didn't mess it up, but I kind of overplucked just a smidge, just a tiny smidge. But I told myself, with this company, I can't play around. So I made sure that I laid my boo-boo down and I did what I had to do, because this hair is chef's kiss. I did not know that hair was supposed to really feel like this. I didn't know. I didn't know that colored hair could feel this soft. I didn't know. Usually when these companies give you colored hair that they do, either you see a pool of yellow when you wash it, or it just feels like straw. This does not feel like straw at all. This hair is just amazing. And if you are someone that wants loose deep wave, because I'm so over deep wave, I'm so over water wave, I'm over the jerry curl. If you want loose deep wave hair of quality, make sure that you shop at Wiggins. I know it's pricey. I know, you know, sometimes, you know, the price be getting to y'all, but listen, go on their website, go on Wiggins website, and, you know, use some codes that you find on YouTube and get some hair. And I would say with them, I would go big or go home, because this right here is 24 inches. This, and I didn't even like really style it or anything. This is just tint, like makeup, and I plucked. You know, I did my little baby hairs. If I styled this, if I curled it, if I did anything to her, I would be a monster. I would be a monster right now. But I'm not trying to, you know, I'm feeling myself though. But Wiggins Hair is probably the top vendor out right now. It is the top vendor out. I don't care what nobody says. If anyone has received Wiggins Hair, they know exactly what I'm talking about. I have never been so satisfied in my life with such a company, and I will probably be working with them again in the future. I'll take anything from them, to be honest. Shoot, can y'all see this? Like, can y'all see the arrogant Tay type lace? Like, I know y'all see it. But those are all of the companies that I have for you guys, the top vendors right now. If you guys do want to see another video like this, I can do it in a couple months, but that is my updated list for the top 5 hair vendors. Hopefully you guys, you know, got some idea of where you should buy from. Let me know your guys' experience with the companies that I mentioned or have not mentioned, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.